Easy way to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Press the 3 lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and press Who can see your content. Now press Hide Story and Live. Press Hide Story From and select all your followers. Hide Story and Live lets you stop certain people from seeing your Instagram stories and live videos. When you choose this, the selected followers won't know you posted anything in stories or went live. Now let's add a story. Go back to your Instagram home and press your profile picture to add a new story. Choose the photo or video you want in your highlight. Press the arrow at the bottom right to continue. Then hit share. Now press highlight and add your story there. Hit done. Great, your story is now saved in your highlights and no one saw it. But wait, one last step. Go back to Settings, Story Privacy. Remove all the people you hide the story from. Now your next stories will be visible to everyone, like before. Any confusion? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.